How to upload a PDF to Speechify. PDFs are the files people most want read aloud. Ebooks, reports, class readings, and in this quick tutorial I will upload one to the Speechify web app and turn it into audio with word-by-word highlighting. Start on the home screen on the Listen to Text tab. There are plenty of ways to bring in a file: Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, pasted text or links. But for a PDF sitting on your computer, the big Upload Files button is the one you want. So I will click Upload Files and choose my PDF. And that is genuinely all the uploading takes. Speechify processes the file and opens it straight in the reader, with the pages laid out cleanly, the original formatting preserved, and the whole document scrollable. Along the top you get File, View, Annotations and Settings menus, plus search for jumping to any phrase inside the PDF. Now press the Listen button. Speechify reads the PDF aloud from the top, highlighting each sentence and each word as it moves, which is what makes following along in a dense document so much easier. The player bar gives you pause, 10-second skips in both directions, a mute toggle, the current voice, and the speed. Click the current voice and the full picker opens. Hundreds of AI voices, and you can switch mid-document without losing your place. I will close this and let it keep reading. One more thing worth knowing. Every PDF you upload gets the same AI actions as any other document, a chat that answers questions about the file, and one-click generators for a summary, a podcast, and a quiz, which are especially useful on long reports. When you are finished, close the document. The PDF stays saved in your library with your listening progress, ready to resume next session. So that is the whole flow. One click to upload, one click to listen, and your PDF becomes audio. Subscribe for more quick tutorials, and I will see you in the next one.